Wow! Alrighty, outfit done. Accessories 2, nails. I forgot to do my nails. They look awful.
And that's where I, the best aspiring nail stylist, come into play.
Hail Tibidaba, please help.
Oh, whoa! No worries, you're in good hands. Okay, Susie, sit still. Master Sam will take good care of you. I think we're done.
Thanks, I guess. That looks impressive. They are so uncomfortable.
Oh my!
Huh?
Let me fix this for you, Sue. Okay. Just give me a second. No one appreciates my art. And we're done.
Oh, wow! This is much better. Thank you, Barbie.
Sure, no problem. Wow! What a color! What a texture! They are perfect! Barbie! You totally should open your own nail salon.
What? Really?
That would be nice. If only I knew how to do that.
Don't worry about it. Sam and I are both excellent crafters, and we will help you. Right, Sammy?
You bet. Let's get started. Oh, I can't wait. Nail polish is a must in the nail salon.
You are right. But first, we need to build the salon itself.
Oh, my bad. What do you think about this layout?
Wow! Sammy, it actually looks great. Let's start with the walls.
But do they have to be dull and boring? No. I just haven't used my magic of colors yet. Rainbow powers activate! Cool, huh?
Oh, it's my favorite color. You're a genius.
Genius? Me? Oh, stop it. Wait until you see what other colors I've got.
Wow, marvelous! Very pretty, but this wall looks kind of empty.
What a beautiful weather. Winter, snow, just right for a hot cocoa break.
Sammy, what are you talking about? It's just a texture, not the window.
Who cares? Main thing is that I can drink my sweet, delicious cocoa.
Oh, I see. You just needed an excuse, you little sweet tooth. Here we go. That should do it.
And what are we gonna do with these ugly cuts? See? They don't fit the whole idea of a nail salon.
Oh, don't worry. I've got just the thing for that. Be right back.
Psst. Hey, Barbie. Psst. Huh? What? Why don't we build the salon ourselves? Sue will be so impressed.
Oh, great idea. Let's go.
Are you holding it at all? Yeah. We'd better turn it the other way. Now a little more to the left. Your left.
I've got this. I've got this.
Oh, just a little bit more. Whoa. All right. We did it. Yay! We are the best. Oh, I think I hear Sue. She's gonna be thrilled.
Okay, these are 4.
Oh, come on.
Whoops, sorry. Although, it looks like someone forgot the most important part, the glue. And this will make the ugly cuts look neat.
I like your choice of color.
Thank you, Sammy. And I think the base is done. Now we need a built-in table somewhere here.
I'm on it. Hold on. What are they making these tables out of these days? You don't say.
What? Sammy, get down! Get down!
Ouch! Here's the table.
Thanks. It means we can move on to the equipment now.
We've got a huge list of things we need for the salon. Hey, Sue! Shiver me cheddars! How are we gonna manage to make all this? Save me! What are these?
Sammy, be careful!
What are these things, Sue? I'm so scared. At least nobody panicked. Hey, Barbie! Do you think this eye protection would be good for me while doing manicure?
Oh, Sammy, you won't see a thing this way. May I? This may not be suitable for eye protection, but great for making a table lamp. A stable stand, and we're all set. One lamp is done, and here's another one.
Barbie, come take a look. Oh, you over here. And, as I see, you are ready to try me. So, tell me, why do you want to open your own nail salon?
I just love to make everyone around me look beautiful.
Awesome! That makes 2 of us.
By the way, you did great with my nails.
I had a great teacher. Now, we only need to apply special oil for cuticles. What? Why did it come off? So, those lamps don't work. They didn't dry the nail polish.
That's because a regular lamp is not good for this. We need special UV lamps. I'm making one right now.
UV what now?
UV lamps. They make the nail polish last longer. Here we go. Oof, I hope it will work. I don't want to mess it up again. Wow, it's perfect! I love the result.
Wow, I'm learning so much today. Barbie, be my manicure sensei.
Oh, but I'm not much of a sensei.
Come on, I'll even get all the supplies I need. Look how many towels I have.
Oh, looks like you don't have a choice, Barbie. All right, I'm in. Oh no! It was my favorite manicure machine, and now it's broken.
Oh no, my poor sensei. Don't cry, I'll fix it. I think I can fix it. So,
Poor me. I think it just needs a wire. And with that, I can easily help. I only need a toothpick and some clay.
This is so delicious. Hail to Bidaba, I found this cafe. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something?
Hey, Sammy, have you heard about Barbie's new nail salon? I am dying to check it out.
Oh no, Sensei! How could I forget?
Hey, wait up! You forgot to pay! He always does that.
Sorry, I got carried away. Here's your toothpick.
Oh, right about time.
I'd better lie down.
Now, a few simple movements. And the wire is done.
See, Barbie, you didn't need to worry. Your manicure machine will be as good as new.
That's right. Let me just attach the wire. There. I'll plug it in, and you can go ahead and try it, Barbie.
Woohoo! Sensei, show us how it's done.
Aw, thank you guys. But where is all the nail polish?
Oh, don't worry, Sensei. I'm working on it. Abrapa nail polish. Aw, they're so tiny, so colorful, so cute.
Nicely done, Sammy. But don't you feel sorry for your own nail polish collection? I mean, it's all gone now.
Nah, it's for the business' sake. By the way, advertising is key to attract clients to the new salon.
Oh, did you hear that? I totally want to check it out.
Dolls and toys of all ages. Come visit Barbie and get manicure.
Sammy, what are you doing? We don't have anything ready yet. Hi, can I get a manicure? We are not open yet. Come back later. It looks like your advertising skills work too well, Sammy. Oh no, the clients are coming, and we don't even have chairs yet.
No problem. I'll fix it now. Abracadabra chairs. Now, there you go.
What? These are not chairs. They are more like cushions.
Oh, so stressed out.
Let me work it up a bit. This will make the chairs very comfy. And, of course, we can't forget about sturdy legs.
Master of Manicure should look pretty. What do you say about this?
I like it. What about you, Barbie? You do look pretty, Sam, but it's too much for my nail salon. Sorry, Sammy, we can't go with it.
Oh, nobody appreciates my talent.
Actually, we could use these rhinestones for the chairs. So, good choice. All right, I think we're done with the equipment. Let's move on to decorating. Oh, excuse me. I heard you're done. Can I get a pedicure?
We are not open yet. And who is this pedicure you're talking about anyway?
Oh, Sam, it's the same as a manicure, only for your feet.
Wow, how did you do that?
So we forgot about pedicure for my salon. It's important.
Okay, I'm on it.
Wait, listen carefully. Here, the secret to the perfect pedicure has always been a perfect foot bath.
Oh, I see. So what do I need to do?
Sammy, we need to make sure we have those foot baths in our salon.
Interesting. Do slimes get pedicure? Let's find out. Sue, I have to test that foot bath. Stat.
Why don't we finish here first? And then no one will be left without a pedicure.
Sounds cool. Wait, aren't we supposed to have more chairs now? Ah!
Sammy, wait! I've got the chairs! Oh, he's so dramatic.
We totally need more towels.
What we really need is to train you to be a master of manicure.
Sue, hurry, take this.
Poor Sam. Barbie turned out to be a very strict teacher. Listen carefully, Samuel. Anyone who wants to succeed with nails must have stamina.
Huh? What?
You have to become strong and fast and brave.
Yes, I'm ready.
Now run, Sammy. Run like the wind.
Okay, got it. You were right, Sensei. It is totally harder than it seems.
Keep it up, Sam. He's making progress.
I can't. No more.
Wow, you also made this for the craft? Good job, Sammy. Hiya! The true master of manicure should cut the cuticles in a jiffy. Guys, enough!
Hiya! Take that! You can't hide from me! Oh, I'm not feeling well. Hey, what's under that cardboard?
Oh, that's just what we've been missing. Here we go. Very pretty. Okay, Sam, you've surpassed your teacher. I taught you everything I knew.
Thank you, Barbie. You are the best nails sensei I know.
Congratulations, Sammy. Let me just finish up here.
Hold on a sec. You taught us how to make that craft. So you're a sensei too, Sue.
Aw, that is so kind of you to say. Okay, let's take our first clients.
Oh, I'm so excited. Can't wait for the first client to arrive. Oh, she's here.
Hi, can I get a manicure, please?
Absolutely. Come with me. Trust me, you are in the best hands.
Hello. Hi there. Let's see your hands, shall we? Oh, I see. We have some work to do.
I see what the problem is. Sue, get the towels.
First of all, let's give your hands a good wash. Good thinking, Sammy. There you go. Now we can do your nails.
And don't forget to file that one. I think we need an almond-shaped nail.
Now pick a color. That one. Great choice. And into the UV lamp. That's right. Oh, it is so beautiful. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Tell your friends about this nail salon, okay? Oh, Sue, we've got a new client. For a pedicure, I guess.
Yeah. I've been waiting for too long. Sit over here, please. Like this. Very well. This foot bath will impress you, I promise. Ah, so fresh and so clean.
Don't forget the pumice stone.
Right, thanks.
It tickles.
Please be patient. You want your feet to look great, right? It's nail polish time. Oh, I love this choice of color. Awesome. Here we go. Thank you. I will tell everyone about you guys. Oh, thank you so much. This is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and for helping Barbie's dream come true. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And give this video a thumbs up. See you very soon. Oh, duty calls. Bye-bye.